Jai Gurudev children, we'll just discuss the answers for the worksheet which is given yesterday. So the first sum, it's given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and NSQ triangle. So you have NSQ. So this triangle is similar to MTR triangle. So NSQ is similar to NTR, which means that the corresponding angles are equal. So since the corresponding angles are equal, I will have this angle equal to this angle. So from this I will infer that angle SQN is equal to angle TRM. So this is what we have got, and we are supposed to prove that PTS is similar to PRQ. So here there is no parallel conditions given, so I have to go only with angle sum property. So first I will consider triangle PST. So consider triangle PST. So angle P plus angle 1 plus angle 2 will give me 180 degree. And if you're going to consider the whole triangle PQR, I have angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. So if you just compare equation 1 and equation 2, you will have angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle Q plus angle R. Okay, so since we know that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle Q is equal to angle R, we can write 2 times of angle 1 is equal to 2 times of angle Q. Likewise, we can write 2 times of angle 2 is equal to 2 times of angle R. Either we can write 2 times of angle 1 is equal to 2 times of angle Q, or 2 times of angle 2 is equal to 2 times of angle R. So this condition, I get angle 1 is equal to angle Q, and here I get angle 2 is equal to angle R. So which means that this angle 1 is equal to this angle Q, this angle 2 is equal to angle R, and P is common. So whenever I am considering this PST and PQR, I have angle P is equal to angle P common, angle 1 is equal to angle Q, and angle 2 is equal to angle R. So A similarity criteria, I have this triangle PTS similar to triangle PQR.